Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I'm here with day 17 of the Crafty Advent Calendar. Yay! On the 17th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Is that a tag? Is that a tag? It sure is. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Yes, I get excited by dies. I know. It's always been that way. Ever since I got into crafting, die cutting has been like I just love die cutting. And I love a good tag die set. Oh, this is fabulous, crafters. And it's a nested tag die set. Okay, crafters, this is cool because you can use these inner pieces, use these as layering for your tag. So you can customize your tag. It's not just the big one, it's all these layers. That's fun. This is 7 tags. And if you want an itty bitty one, look at this. This can also work with some of the existing stamp sets at Spellbinders, like handmade gift tags. You could probably use this with Nicole's Sipping Santa. So this is fabulous to use within here in the Advent Calendar and with other Spellbinders products. Love. Let's measure that big one. 2.5 inch tall by 2 1/8 of an inch wide. Nice sizing. Love. 7-piece layering tag die set. Let's look at my example. Just fun and fabulous. Love. This is my December 17th example. Yes, it's a tag collage card. You know, at first I was starting off with little tags and then I was going to put them on something. Like on day 14, I did just a tag. But then because of the sizing, I decided why not try something I've never done before, which is a card like this. I could have done them, 1, 2, 3, 4 tags with 4 different scenes. But I was really enjoying this shopping my stash. The main item that dictated how this card turned out. 2 things actually. The tags and the Love Grows Here card making kit. This is from the Spellbinders fire sale on super sale. It went from $60 to $20. I said in that video I wanted to use the Love Grows Here on a card. This is it. Out of the 7 tags, I can't believe they gave us 7 tags, but 7 layering tags, I used these 4. The 2 largest, not the 2 smallest, the smallest one here, and then the 3rd one from it for this ensemble, okay? So some of them, I would do the 2 layers like this, where I did the biggest tag in the back and then a matching layer with pattern paper. All the pattern paper you're seeing here, from the background to what is the matting layer to even being the back of the large tag, comes from the Love Grows Here paper pad out of the Love Grows Here card making kit. Very pretty paper pad. See, that's the back right there. And then I would just cut little sections for my tags. That's for the present. So this is the first time I'm using my collection to make a present that's not solid cardstock. This is pattern paper. I think it's great as pattern paper too. I'm really trying to be like super creative with the Advent Calendar. I don't know why, but I am. And I'm having fun just like thinking outside the box. This is that background. Look at that gray wood grain. So this card is a combination of pinks with a touch of salmon pink coral and gray with a splash of white. I made 3 tags. On the tags, I'm using the following. Shopping my stash again. Love Grows Here dies. This is from the Love Grows Here card making kit. That's one of the adorable little birds. I have both birds done, waiting to put on another card. Super easy to come together. This can only be found in the kit. The little flowers, that's in here. And I didn't use the branch. I didn't think it needed it. Because of the sizing of the tags, I just did like icon, 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 done. And then a touch of these little flowers. I love these little flowers with the little leaves right there on the edge. This layers up the wing, the breast, that right there is the tail. And here's the legs, the beak, and that top piece. Super easy. If you've got this kit or you already have it, here's an idea of how to use it with some pretty colors. This is Spellbinders Pink Sand cardstock with Wild Berry, not Dahlia, 1 over the darker color Wild Berry. My birthday wreath add-on, I made my cupcake. There's my little cupcake. It comes together so easy. That's the wrapper, that's the cupcake, and then that's the top. Look at the detail on the top. Love that. Here, this could have also been a flower too. That little bit with a center. In the centers, I'm using all opal gems for these centers, okay? The silver you're seeing here on the wrapper and on the leaves, that's brushed silver cardstock. So this is pink sand, pink sand, pink sand here, brushed silver. The present, that's the pattern paper. This is just matte silver from my stash. I'm really having fun with the Love Grows Here kit. I did not use any of the printed die cuts. I made my own die cuts. And then these stamps. Out of my birthday wreath add-on, I did the present, all of it. And then the cupcake. I even put this little flower on the cupcake. Isn't that adorable? Having fun. That's all. This is the first time doing this collage thing. I'm like, I need to revisit this. Right here, this is some Vivant ribbon. I'm not sure the color of it, but I'll put a general link for the Vivant. That is luxury. Ribbon, twine, and cord in that same salmon coral colorway. I'm liking it. I have a little sampling of it. I may get a roll. So super pretty. The sentiments for these two smaller tags. For the smallest tag, that one, I'm using the sugar-coated sentiments right there. You're sweet. This is fabulous. I think this might still be at Spellbinders. I will link everything I'm talking about. I'm going to link below. If it's not in store anymore, I'll just put retired. This might still be there. So super cute. Look at all the different fonts and the sizes. So you can use that little one with this if you got the Advent Calendar. For the bigger one, parcel and post sentiments. Right here. Happy birthday to a very special person. Perfectly in that size. Isn't that fabulous? Also, some of what is in here, I think it's the larger ones though, are in the Glimmer Hot Foil plate. This one I'm not sure is in the Glimmer Hot Foil plate. Because the Glimmer Hot Foil plate to this set is 2 sets. Haven't used it in a while, but my mind is saying some of what is in this stamp set is not in the Glimmer, and some of what is in the Glimmer is not over here. So I just have all 3. I received the Glimmer Hot Foil plates, and then I bought the stamp set. And I'm so glad I did. And then the stamp set also has this. I could have also done like a little envelope here too. So I hope this has inspired you to play with this tag set. You could do it by itself. This would be super cute by itself on a card. It could also be cute on a gift bag. And then I popped up. So it's like low height, a little bit higher, double height, triple height. So I have different heights going on here with my collage. So I hope you love my example. Until December 18th, I am having a ball. Let's do a little trip down memory lane of how different my days are. This is the 14th, the 15th, the 16th, now the 17th. I am just having fun. So I hope this inspires you to just play and explore your Advent calendar. 2 thumbs up. You can make loads of birthday cards, thank you cards, all occasion cards, just to say hello. Alrighty, crafters, until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye.